Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luis. Today we are diving into the world of retro gaming with the 8BitDo Ultimate C 2.4 GHz wireless controller. This controller works seamlessly with Windows, Android, Raspberry Pi and even the Steam Deck. Okay, regarding Android, it has to be from Android 9 above, and regarding Windows, from Windows 10 above, so Windows 11 is also included. Okay, regarding the Raspberry Pi, I might say I tested on RetroPie 4.0, the operating system that enables your Raspberry Pi to work with a CRT or TV, a tube TV, and it works really well. Okay, I also tested on Batocera, okay, a Linux installation that can run from a flash drive on your PC and also works really well. And during the video I will show you playing with the Genia emulator, Steam, and yeah, so we will get to see these further in the video. Okay, so regarding connectivity, I already told you, wireless 2.4G connection, fast and reliable with low latency gameplay. Analog triggers, perfect for racing games and precise control. Rumble vibration, immersive feedback for intense moments. Turbo function, customize your buttons presses. Long battery life, up to 25 hours on a single charge. It's plug and play on the PC, no hassle, just connect and play. Okay, just for comparison, this is a PlayStation 4 clone remote, just for size comparison, position of the buttons. And another one, this is the Data Frog that I also made a review on the channel. I believe is the video before this one. Regarding price, I ordered the 8BitDo for 24 euros, if I'm not mistaken. I will show in the end of the video. And that one from Datafrog is cheaper, but the connectivity is not 2.4 GHz, and also is not from 8BitDo, so that is why it's cheaper. But as you can see, they are really similar on the buttons and on the design. Okay, but if you want to know more about the one from Datafrog, please go and check the video. Okay, regarding the build quality, I can tell you this one is in fact really good. 8BitDo is known by producing the best remotes. Okay, and they really have other versions that are really more expensive than this one, which is really affordable and really good for the price. Okay, so let's continue with some footage playing games, just for you to see that we are able to play everything. So this is the Xenia emulator 360 Xbox, and it plays amazing. So if you are used to play on Xbox 360, you will not find any difference on the remote. At least I used to play and I couldn't notice any difference. It works really amazing. Also, if you don't know this emulator, you should try it because it works fantastic, and you can see it's working wirelessly, so no cable, and it works amazing. So I've been using the Ultimate C for a week now, and it has been a game changer. So I told you, so from retro platforms to modern shooters, it handles everything smoothly. About the latency, the 2.4G connection ensures minimal lag, great for competitive gaming. Let me know what you think, if you already have a remote from 8BitDo, if you are thinking on purchasing this one. So now with the playing on Windows 11 on Steam, and yeah, as you can see, it works well. Okay, so I didn't test with the cable, at least when I was recording the video. This is my kid, the end of my boy playing, and I'm recording with the camera, and we didn't record with the cable, so we are playing wirelessly and it works well. I didn't record any Raspberry Pi footage, but I can guarantee that first time I tried to connect to RGB OS, I couldn't, so there is a little trick. So when you connect for the first time, maintain your B always pressed in order the Raspberry Pi to detect the remote. Okay, otherwise you connect and nothing happen. Okay, so I'm talking about the RGB Pi OS 4, which enable which can let you play retro games on a tube TV or on a CRT TV. Okay, so another game on Steam on a different computer, and it works really well. So yeah, in conclusion, in summary, the 8BitDo Ultimate C 2.4 wireless controller combines nostalgia with modern features, and if you are a retro gaming enthusiast or just want a reliable controller, check it out. Just say that this game, it's free at the moment in Steam, so if you like it, go get it. I believe the name is Kart Drift, and yeah, it let you enjoy playing and drifting with small carts. Okay, so this is the official store of 8BitDo on AliExpress. As I told you, I will leave the link in the video description. So let's check the feedback from people who ordered it, and you will see that everybody gave 5 stars, and I think only one guy gave 1 star. Probably he got one defective product. All the others 5 stars, so everybody enjoys this remote, and I also recommend. So for the price, it's a really good remote, and I don't regret at all having ordered it. As you can see, everybody giving 5 stars. So if you are looking for a cheap and good remote control, give this one a try, and you will be fan for 8BitDo remotes. because they are in fact really good. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more gaming content and product reviews. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below and I will try to answer everybody. I will catch you on a new video. Bye bye.